Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to unlock Vivo phone if forgot password. So I have Vivo Y200e 5G in my hand, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to unlock Vivo phone if forgot password. So here you can see incorrect password entered. So how to unlock it if forgot password. Okay, for this first press the volume up and power button together. Now tap to power it off. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume up and power button together for a few seconds. Press and hold it, and now release. And you can see it will send you in Vivo 5G fast boot mode. Here you can see reboot and recovery mode. Now volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. Go to recovery mode and confirm. So you can see Vivo 5G recovery mode. Install software, clear data, clear system, enter safe mode, and power off and restart is available on bottom. Here you can see. So simply tap on clear data, and guys, see it really carefully. Clear all data. This will clear all stored data on your device. If we tap on clear all data, here you can see clear all data on this device will be cleared, including important data such as contacts, photos, and SMS messages. Data cannot be recovered if cleared. Proceed with caution. Now tap on OK, and you can see it is clearing data. Do not use the device during clearing data. And you can see all data cleared. Now tap on return, and after it go back, and you can see on bottom tap on restart, and you can see restart your device, tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset it might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset it again ask for password. Use previously logged in Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to unlock Vivo phone if forgot password. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for the latest updates.